Hello VW lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about electrolyze. Electrolyze is used for getting rid of all the rust. Let's get started with a new batch for electrolyze. What do you need? That's a big bucket or little one. It all depends what pieces you have to derust. The water, I use about 200 liters, that's about 50 gallons. And I use some soda crystals. It's the same for in the kitchen or in the bathroom to clean up the greaser. So that's the good stuff. Not the other one, because that will not work. A little cautious with working with this. Always make sure you have a big room you use it, or good ventilation. So if you have your soda crystals, it's about for 1 gallon or 4 liters water, you need 1 tablespoon of soda crystals. In this big bucket I have 200 liters, so 50 gallon, and I'm using normally it is 50 spoons, but I use 2 kilos. So this batch is going a little faster, and that's no problem. It gets the rust very easy off. At the other hand, what do we need? That's an electric loader, not high ampere, just only 12 volts, and I guess it takes about 2 amps. You can work on 1 amp too, but normally this is more than enough to do electrolyze. First of all, we have the anode. This is just a piece of iron, thick enough so all the rust will convert to there. And on the other side we have the cathode. This is where the ground is setting on. And here I have my pedals here from the Beetle, and the spring and some other stuff, the pins. So that I will start now with this little batch. Always remember, the plus has to be on the anode and on the piece that take the rust, and we have the ground. You put that on the cathode. All copper wires, so the electric will conduct very easy through the wires, through the piece. And if you look good, it starts to making bubbles. You see? It's not only air, it's a gas it produces, so it can be very dangerous in a locked up room. So make sure you have a good ventilation. So this will take a few hours. I will let soak it for approximately 4 to 5 hours. I don't have no problems with that it takes so long. It's very cheap, I guess. For the crystals, I paid 2 or 3 euros for that, so that's about $1 or $2, nothing much, and a little bit electric, that's all. So I'll let soak this for a few hours. We will get back into it after it's derusted. You will see the rust will be black. That's because it converted, but you have to clean it and rinse it with clear water, so all the active soda crystals will be gone off the pieces that you have cleaned. Otherwise it will rust in no time again. After that, after the good cleaning, degreasing and paint on it. These are the pieces, the pedals. Look at this, like brand new, all the rust is gone. You have to degrease them and paint them. That's all. Just half a day of work.